It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host Ben, and let's dive in. So it is time to announce the winner of the $50 Bitcoin giveaway in celebration of 6,000 subs on the Framework Fortune home channel, which, by the way, if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. A lot of good content there, multiple personalities, and we have the $100 giveaway happening over there tonight too. So if you entered both contests, be sure that you go catch that video. But I'm not going to show the winner right this second. Nope, you're going to have to watch the video to find out who the winner is. So let's dive in. Bitcoin having its nasty pullback along with the rest of the crypto markets. Dropped to that 30K level, which I said was really strong support. It actually cracked below it, but has since rebounded pretty nice back up to this 32,000. This old support here, though, might act as resistance in that 34 area. But Bitcoin has bounced multiple times off of this, so I'm not surprised to see it bounce again. Even back here, it had bounced. So this should be the bottom, but who knows? We could go all the way to 20K. I've already started buying a few positions, not Bitcoin because I'm not that big on Bitcoin, but Ethereum I've picked a little bit up, which we'll get into in a minute. But basically we just need to see a rebound here and see Bitcoin back over this 34,000, and we may stay in between this 30,000 and 40,000 for a while, consolidating sideways before we get a break out. A lot of people have sold out of the crypto markets, and I don't expect them to hop right back in unless something crazy happens. So I'd say we're going to have some sideways consolidation for a while. Ethereum, like I said, I'd have bought a little more Ethereum in this drop. Had a pullback all the way to 1,700, but got bought up pretty quickly. Pushed back up to 19. It's currently running into it, trying to break back through that support. This could hold as new resistance if it's not able to hold up as support like it did back here, because before it was resistance. But like I've been saying, this $2,000 area on Ethereum should be pretty strong, and the moment it did drop below 2,000 pretty hard, it just got pushed straight back up. So that's a good sign that there's buyers down here waiting for the bait to drop into the water to push this back up and get these cheap prices, because we're getting pretty oversold. Any more of a drop, we would probably drop down to 1,500 on Ethereum, and that's really low for Ethereum, especially with ETH 2.0 coming out. Today's top runner is CGLD. This one had been selling off for a while before this drop even started happening, and got pretty low down to 175 and immediately got bought up off of that 175 area. So that's definitely some strong support, because it's pushed all the way back to this 100-day at 260, currently around 243. So if we continue to see buying volume like this in CGLD, this one is a very low circulating supply. It can move with a lot of buying volume. This is one to keep an eye on for this week and this weekend. Doge, like I said, may get all the way down to that 15-cent area last night, and it got real close. This thing is super bearish, and more than likely it's going to be a while before Doge starts coming back up. It's trying to hold that 18-cent area, but not looking very good at the moment with the selling pressure from these wicks. Sellers are trying to push it below that. So there are buyers right here pushing these candles up, but there's also sellers. And if buyers lose this tug of war right here, then we're going to see Dogecoin down even further. Next, we got Cardano. I mean, these lows on Cardano are really low, and you can see when it dropped to $1, back up right away. Straight back up to 110. A lot of buying come in there, so people are going to buy this at $1. This is what I was talking about last night. With stocks under $1, when they break $1, they usually have a hard time getting back under $1 without anything actually happening as far as bad PR. And Cardano does not have any bad PR or anything wrong with that system and blockchain. it only made sense for this to bounce off of $1. So if you're able to capitalize off this and get that 25-cent bounce, or add to your staking position of Cardano because it's only $1, hey, I'm with you on that. But it looks like a lot of the selling has really slowed down here today on a lot of these currencies. Polygon MATIC down to $1. Same thing. Actually dropped below $1 down to about 90 cents, but pushed immediately back up. It's in that $1.06 area. This thing was very bullish before the whole crypto market crashed. This was a nice uptrend. So if buying starts coming back into cryptos, I expect Polygon MATIC to climb pretty fast, especially if it continues to hold over $1. I like it for a possible swing off of $1 into this weekend for a rebound, maybe back up to this 200 and 100-day at 140. Polkadot really taking a hard hit, been in that triangle, and I said it was either going to pop up big out of this triangle or it was going to pop down low out of this triangle. Well, it popped down low, dropping all the way to 15. 15 is trying to hold as support, and that is the support that I am looking to hold. And if that holds, I'm going to add to my Polkadot position. If it doesn't hold, I will wait for the next bottom, because the next bottom is probably going to be in this $10 area. I'd be surprised to see Polkadot back down that low, but it very well could happen, because even though we're getting some little rebounds in the long scope on the 4-hour, we are still very bearish on a lot of these cryptos, but we should see some rebounds back to the EMAs, at least the 20 and the 50, probably over the next couple of days. The progression of this drop was really slow. There was consolidation there from May all the way till now before it really started cracking in the last couple of days. So the whole market may hold in these areas for another month or two, bouncing back and forth, testing support, testing resistances. I don't think we'll see a huge drop anymore like this one originally on all the cryptos. If they're going to continue to drop, it's going to be a slow descent from here. There's going to be investors out there like me who are seeing these prices and are like, nah, this is too cheap for these cryptos. A lot of us know the value behind these currencies that's in the blockchains and the blockchain projects. And these prices just are getting too low for that. So we're going to be buying them up. Scale dropping all the way to that 20-cent area. Tried to hold in at 23 to 25, but dropped there. Holding up so far. So pretty much all the currencies so far besides CGLD are just testing this bottom support area. So it'll be probably a couple of days. We could see some more rebounds tonight on some of these that haven't had any rebounds yet, like Scale. Maybe a bounce back up to 25 cents over the next day or two. AMP, which was another one that was very bullish, has now sold off all the way back down to 6 cents. This is very low for AMP, so I would be keeping an eye on it to bounce off of this 6 cents area. It was pretty strong resistance back here and strong support right through there as well. So it is time to announce the winner of the $50 Bitcoin giveaway. We appreciate everybody who entered, and if you entered more than once, this software and program shows me how many entries came from one IP address, so you were disqualified. I don't want to hear anything in the comments about it because you are not supposed to do that. This giveaway is to be given to the community for helping build this community, and if you are a scammer or a spammer trying to put in multiple entries in any of the Framework Fortune contests, you will be disqualified. So let's do a drum roll. That was a very sad drum roll, and a motorcycle for some reason very loud in the background. And the winner is Brian McLowry. Congratulations, Brian, for winning $50 in Bitcoin. I will send you an email to confirm and get that wallet address from you so I can send it to you. Nice job, buddy. That's it for the daily crypto update. If there's any coins that I'm not currently covering that you would like me to cover, go ahead and leave those in the comments below. We will do a bigger giveaway than this time when we hit the 10,000 subscriber mark on the Framework Fortune home channel, and we will do a nice size giveaway here on the Framework Fortune crypto channel when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So help us build the community, like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that, so we can have more giveaways and continue to grow the community and everybody grow together to be better together. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.